Dear children, next we move on to the new topic, okay, that is time. Okay, let me see that recap lessons from our second standard grade level lessons that we are going to first learn, that is what's the time, okay, shown on clock, that is with long hand, short hand. And today we are going to learn new terms, that is minutes, seconds, hours, okay, and how to change hours into minutes and conversion of minutes into seconds, okay, and new terms, that is AM, that is ante-meridiem, and PM, post-meridiem, and by which how to say the time, is it AM or is it PM. Okay, let me see in our new session topic, that is time. Okay, let me see with example sums and with clock diagram. Okay, today our topic is, that is time. Okay, so first in your grade level, that is second standard, that is time is introduced by simple saying, that is whole hours, that is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock only. Okay, by that is, this is a clock. Here I am going to draw. Okay, it is 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. Okay, this is a center point. Here in clock there are two hands. Okay, one is short hand and another one is long hand. Okay, one is short hand and another one is long hand. In between another one more hand, that is a long hand. Okay, that is a seconds hand. This is also a long hand, but which is somewhat thin size than the long hand of our hand. Okay, this is a minute hand. Okay, the name, that is short hand. Okay, short hand, that is hour. It mentions only hours, hour hand. And the long one, that is long hand. Okay, that is, it shows minutes. Okay, minute hand. And another, that is somewhat thin long hand. This hand is somewhat thinner than the normal hour hand. Okay, it also long, but long thin hand. It shows seconds. Seconds hand, minutes hand. Okay, so these are the main parts, okay, and that is a clock. And now this clock shows what time, children, that is 3 o'clock, because the hour hand, okay, short hand, that's a hour hand, it exactly, okay, it exactly located the, that is, it shows 3, and the long hand, it stands near exactly 12. So the time is now 3 o'clock. Okay, time is 3 o'clock. Okay, and let me see another hour hand by drawing another time. That means here I am going to draw short hand towards the 5 and the long hand towards the 12. Okay, the second one, that is, now the time is 5 o'clock. It shows the hour 5 because the short hand shows what? Hour hand, and long hand, that's a minutes hand, it exactly on 12. So the time is now 5 o'clock. Okay, that is another one more time by drawing the hand, that is the center, okay. Now the heart, it shows between 1 and 2, okay, exactly towards, not towards the 2, and exactly it doesn't denote 1, it lies between 1 and 2, okay. So write down the time, that is first you have to write 1, okay, and the long hand, that is it shows exactly over the 6, over the number, it towards 6. Okay, how to write down this minutes hand? You have to calculate from this, that means from 12, you have to by using the 5 multiplication table of 5, otherwise the skip counting of 5. Okay, you have to count, skip counting of 5 from this 12. So that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So the long hand shows how much, that is how many minutes, that is 30 minutes. So you have to write, that is 1:30. Okay, do you understand? That is write down the hard hand first and write down the minutes hand. You have to calculate from the number 12. Okay, by saying skip counting, simply saying skip counting or 5 table, multiplication table of 5. Okay, you already know children. Okay, that is you have to calculate, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So that is 1:30. Otherwise, and it is otherwise called, that is 1/2. That is 1:30 is otherwise called, that is 1/2. That means 1:30. The time is 1:30. 1/2. That is 1:30. Okay, and let me draw another hour and minute. Okay, that is the center point. Okay, and between 5 and 6. Okay, and the long hand, it exactly towards the number 3. Okay, first you have to write down this shorthand. Okay, first you should write the number in which the shorthand shows the number. You have to first write down the number that is denoted by the shorthand first. Okay, you should for regular, that is you have to, you must write first number that is shown by the shorthand. Okay, always it is must. Okay, first that is it shows between 5 and 6. So write this number 5. Okay, 5. And by simply calculating the minutes hand by saying 5 table, that is 5, 10, 15. So 5, 15. And this time otherwise, okay, by saying that is 5:15. Okay, that is 5:15 or 5:15. That is 5 minutes, 5 o'clock after 15 minutes. That means 5:15. Okay. Okay. So this is a main hour and minutes, and how to calculate the minutes, and by saying the time. What's the time? That is 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock only, that is shorthand and longhand. These two time, the longhand always be at 12. When it is longhand, it moves on other numbers. You have to calculate the number by saying 5 table or the skip counting of 5 in numbers, and that means 1:30, otherwise called 1/2, and here 5:15, that means 5:15. Okay, and let me move another time by using same terms. These are the new terms you have learnt in your grade level 3rd. because in your second grade level you are simply learning by these two hours clock only, that is 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, like that. Okay, and third standard, that is 1:30, 1:30, so half an hour after the full hour, and the quarter minutes over full hour. You have these are the new terms you are going to learn in your grade level third standard. Okay, do you understand now? And let me see another examples, that is I am going to draw hands and you are going to write down the time. Okay, that is here the shorthand. Okay, shorthand, that means in between 6 and 7. Okay, and the long hand, that means towards 9. Okay, now the time, how to calculate the time? First you have to write down the hour hand. So the hour shows the number, that is 6. Okay, and the minute hand you have to calculate by saying the 5 table from the number 12. Okay, we are going to say that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. That is 6:45. Okay, time is 6:45. And otherwise it is how it is by how it is saying, that is 15 minutes to 7. Okay, that is quarter to 7. The next full hour means that is 6:45. What will be the next full hour? That is it moves towards the 7, and the long hand it shows moves towards the 12. The next hour is 7. Okay, that means 6:45 is 15 minutes to 7. That is quarter past to 7. Okay, so this is otherwise called quarter past to 7. Okay, do you understand this? 15 minutes to 7. Okay, so and one more example. Next I am going to draw another hour and minute, that is put a dot, center dot. Okay, now that is this is a shorthand. Okay, and long hand. Okay, first write down the shorthand hour, that is 2. Okay, always you must write the first number, that is a hour hand number. Okay, now the hour hand, that is a shorthand shows, that is 2. Okay, and count the long hand hours. Okay, long hand, now it shows the number 11. Okay, by saying the skip counting of 5 or multiplication table 5, count the minutes. Okay, that means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. So that is 2:55. Okay, otherwise that is 5 minutes to 3. Okay, the next full hour means that is 3 o'clock. So 5 minutes to 3. Okay, so it is otherwise it should be written as, that is 5 minutes to 3. Okay, so these are the new terms. Quarter past to 7 means that is 6:45. Okay, and 5 minutes to 3 means the time is 2:55. So these are the terms used in your third grade level. How to say the time by seeing the only shorthand and long hand. Okay, and one more tip, that is one more new hand, that is long thin hand. Okay, that is a long thin hand. It also moves inside over the clock. Okay, that means this minute hand. Okay, that means it turns around once from 12 to again it 1, that is 1. Okay, that is 1 minute, that is 1 second. Okay, this is a second hand. It shows, okay, seconds hand. That is, we are going to, that is, we should learn the table of, that is 1 day, 24 hours. Okay, and here that is 1 day. Here 1 hour. Okay, that is 1 hour means, okay, 60 minutes, isn't it? By saying that is 5, okay, that is 55 and 60, that the 2 o'clock, that is this hour moves towards the, moves next to the next hour. That means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Similarly, that is 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That means this minute hand, it moves towards from 12 to another 12. Okay, again 12. It moves 60 times. It makes it 1 minute. Okay, do you understand? That is hour clock, that is from 12 to 12, it moves next to the next hour. And that is seconds, that is it moves 60 times to make a 1 minute. Okay, so that is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. It shows the seconds. Okay, and let me next we move on to the next, that is conversion of, that is days, hours and minutes and seconds. Okay, so this is a clock concept by simply saying, by observing the shorthand and longhand and how to say the time with minutes, okay, hours and quarter past, half past or quarter to 7 or quarter to 11, anything, and 5 minutes to 7, 10 minutes to 9. So these are the terms we learnt in this topic.